All right, hi guys. I'm out today. I'm actually at a meeting, so I'm in the building, but we are still going to go through this lab. So you're taking a look at what's your reaction time lab. It looks like this. The purpose is to determine your reaction time using a meter stick and motion equations, okay? So I'm going to go through the procedure and kind of help you with some of the equations, and then you should be able to finish the rest in class. So you need a partner. So work with someone near you. And person A is going to hold the meter stick like this person, and person B is has their fingers open near the bottom. So I can't do it by myself. But here's the meter stick. If I'm person B, I'm holding my fingers right like this, okay, ready to react and grab it. Person A is going to drop the meter stick, and person B is going to grab it, okay? You don't want to know when it's dropping or else it's not your true reaction time. So person A drops without telling person B. They try and grab it as fast as they can. That was loud. Okay? Do that 3 times, measuring how long it takes you to grab it. How far up does it go before you can grab it, okay? Find the average. So add it up, divide by 3. Make sure you have a data chart you've put together, so that's step number 5 here. And then you want to use that as your change in distance, okay? So that's your first variable you know. You know change in distance, and we're trying to find time. So you've got to think of 2 other variables we already know. Since it's in free fall, one of those is the acceleration due to gravity, so we know acceleration. And the other thing, since it's dropped, we know the initial velocity is 0. So those are your 4 variables you're looking for. Change in distance is what you measured, times what you're looking for, initial velocity is 0, and acceleration is negative 9.8. So you're going to use that change in distance equals 1/2 at squared plus t times initial velocity equation to calculate your reaction time, your time. Okay, so do that right over here. Make sure you write out the equation, put in your substitutions, your answer, and with units and direction. Write down your reaction time right there. So then you're going to graph the displacement versus time and the velocity versus time for the meter stick. It doesn't really need numbers, okay? And then on the next page, you've got some applications, so some types of problems. This first one, a driver is traveling at a constant speed and they see a child, they apply the brakes and accelerate. So this way it says 2 types of motion. So you want to do the part where it's going at a constant speed, so that's just distance equals rate times time. And then the second one, when it's accelerating, you want to use our kinematic equations. And then you can find out how far it went, adding those together, okay? And then you can graph as well. So that's this lab. You guys have this the rest of the period to finish that up, and then you are going to work on homework, which is due on not Monday, on Thursday. Okay, so work through that homework number 1. Have a great class. I'll talk to you later.